Broccoli slaw salad with creamy dressing, a crunchy, flavorful delight. Imagine a salad so vibrant, crunchy, and satisfying that even those who usually avoid vegetables will crave another bite. That's exactly what you get with a broccoli slaw salad tossed in a rich, creamy dressing. This salad isn't just a side dish, it's a fresh, flavorful experience that combines wholesome ingredients with a touch of indulgence. Broccoli slaw is a fantastic alternative to traditional coleslaw. Instead of cabbage, this version features shredded broccoli stems, which are crisp, mildly sweet, and packed with nutrients. When combined with complementary ingredients like carrots, purple cabbage, and sunflower seeds, it transforms into a textural masterpiece. The magic, however, lies in the dressing, a creamy blend that balances tanginess and sweetness, coating each ingredient in a velvety finish. What makes this salad a winner? First, it's incredibly versatile. You can serve it at summer barbecues, pack it for lunch, or enjoy it as a light dinner. It pairs beautifully with grilled chicken, fish, or even a juicy burger. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in more vegetables without sacrificing flavor. The creamy dressing is the heart of this dish. A combination of Greek yogurt or mayonnaise, a splash of apple cider vinegar, a hint of honey, and a touch of Dijon mustard creates a perfect balance of creamy, tangy, and slightly sweet flavors. A sprinkle of salt and pepper enhances the taste, while optional add-ins like poppy seeds or crushed nuts elevate the texture and complexity. One of the best things about this salad is how easy it is to customize. Love a little extra crunch? Toss in some chopped almonds or pecans. Prefer a hint of sweetness? Add dried cranberries or diced apples. Want to boost the protein? Mix in some shredded chicken or chickpeas. The possibilities are endless, making this dish a go-to for every occasion. Beyond its incredible taste, this broccoli slaw salad is a powerhouse of nutrition. Broccoli is loaded with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a fantastic choice for overall health. The carrots add a dose of beta-carotene, while the seeds or nuts provide healthy fats and protein. With every bite, you're nourishing your body while indulging in something utterly delicious. So, are you ready to take your salad game to the next level? What twist will you add to make this dish uniquely yours?